So our first command is apt catch. It is used for managing insert the repository using package's name and its description. So the command is apt catch search the package we want to search. So our next command is dpkg. dpkg. It is used for verifying whether the package is successfully installed or not. So our next command is apt file. It is used to sort the repository using a file name from the packages and list all the files present in the packages. So if we want to search in the Apache 2, so we have a command apt file search apache dot config. We can we can use sudo command for install apt file So our next command is apt get. It is used to install and delete a packages. For example, if we want to install a package, so we will use sudo apt get install apache 2. Sorry, sudo So we have installed our Apache 2 successfully. If we want to delete the package except configuration file, so we will use sudo apt get remove package name, which is Apache 2. So it is asking for continue. And if we want to remove the package with configuration file, so we will use Apache sudo apt get purge Apache 2. So it removed whole the package with configuration file. So some basic useful Unix commands are: first command is cal. Cal is used to display the calendar. So if we want to see the present month calendar, so we will use cal -1. It displays the February 2022, which is the present month. And if we want to see the 2022 calendar, so we will use cal hyphen y. Display whole year calendar. Next, if we want to see the if we want to display Monday as the first day of the week, so we will use cal hyphen m. Actually, cal hyphen m. No. Okay, leave it. If we want to display the day of the month, so we will use date plus d. So today's date is 9, and if we want to display the current date in mmddy y format, so we will use date plus this d. So it display this. If we want to display the only date, so we will use date command only. So we have another command is sleep. If we, for example, if we want to display our calendar of the present month, then so this command is basically shows that it display the calendar of present month and sleep for the 10 month, pause for the 10 month, and then display the whole calendar, whole year calendars. Sorry. Let me write it again. So it shows only present month calendar and then pause for 10 seconds and then display the whole year calendar. So after some basic commands, we have some advanced command also. For example, man net stat. So it gives the information about net. So our next command is net stat. So our next command is man SL lookup. Man NSL lookup. So our next command is ifconfig. It is used to for checking the IP of our computer. Next command is ipconfig. It shows the all the active connections. So these are the connections name. So we will use ifconfig to so our next command is ifconfig. It is used to so it is used to fire this command. If we want to check the IP address, so we use ifconfig. So if we go with the man ifconfig, it will show. It is used to show the kernel resident of the, and it is also used to boot type the So it shows the current active connections, that is IO Ether at 0. So the next command is ping. If we want to check our net connection, so we will use ping command. So so our next command is fuser. So it identifies the processor using sockets. It displays the PID of the processor using the specified file systems. So in this so so it will show this type of information. So we have some other options like user minus v. So it shows the result formation. So if we go with the man command fusion, we will see, so no manual entry for the fusion. So the next command is so our next command is vol command. And if we have a server and many people are connected with it, so if we want to shut down the server, so we need the vol command to display the messages in every person's. So we need to broadcast the messages to all the users. So we will use vol command, and there are four so we will use more than one terminals to show how the vol command displays the messages. So the next command is ps-ef, so it shows all the commands. Here is ppid, that is parent PID. PID matlab means process PID. If we want to check the Firefox is running on the background or not, so we will use the command ps hyphen ef. So no Firefox is running. So our next command is which command? Man which. So it display the path name. So here we can see the path name of the file which would be executed in the current environment. So we which Google Chrome. So our next command is force fs ck man. If we go with man fs ck, no manual entry for force. So we will take next command. So next command is free command. It shows the manual pages of the free command. So it displays the total amount of free and used in the system, and the buffer and kernel used. So the last command is shutdown command. Sudo shutdown. So if I give 20 minutes and hit the button, it asks for the password. So it will shut down the system after 20 minutes. So if we want to cancel the same, so we can use sudo shutdown